guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, so as you all have already seen the title, today's video is all about lockdown reaction.
తెలంగాణలో నేటి నుంచి కఠిన లాక్డౌన్ అమలవుతోంది. 10 రోజుల పాటు ఈ లాక్డౌన్ కొనసాగుతుంది. ఉదయం 10 గంటల నుంచి తెల్లవారు 6 గంటల వరకు కూడా లాక్డౌన్ అమల్లో ఉంటుంది. 6 to 10 మాత్రం ప్రజలకు సడలింపు ఉంటుంది. కేవలం 4 గంటల పాటు మాత్రమే అన్ని రకాల షాపులు తెరుచుంటాయి. మిగతా 20 గంటల పాటు లాక్డౌన్ కఠినంగా అమల్లో ఉంటుంది. ఉదయం 6 గంటల నుంచి 10 గంటల వరకు మాత్రమే అన్ని రకాల మెట్రో, ఆర్టీసీ, ప్రజా రవాణా కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంటాయి. ఉదయం 10 గంటల వరకు రేషన్ షాపులు కూడా తెరుచుంటాయి.
So guys, basically that is what has happened. I was sleeping and Anwar Chan was watching the news and I got the shock of my life and I woke up. So basically last year, the moment they announced the lockdown, I jumped to my mom's home. It was on 22nd of March. I very clearly remember. It was Sana mom's birthday and the moment they announced the lockdown, mom was like, see, they're announcing the lockdown. Do you want to go home? I was like, yes, I want to go back to my mom. Last time, I think it was 15 days lockdown and I went to my mom's home. Then I got back to my home and from there I started staying here only. But now that I'm pregnant, I don't want to take any kind of chances. I'm not going out anywhere, not even to my mom's place. It's been more than a month that I met my parents. Or my sisters, both. Yeah, I don't want to take any kind of chances, so I'm not going out anywhere, not even to my mom's home. Let's go and see how's everybody gonna react on the lockdown. I'm one way happy, but yeah, because we have Eid another 2 days, let's see what are we gonna plan and how are we gonna plan things, because we do a lot on Eid. I don't know how this Eid is gonna be. Let's quickly go and see. Let's quickly call Tabassum and check about her mehendi. Tabassum, what is your reaction on the lockdown 2.0?
First, I thought it's good. Okay, at last the government is taking decision to put a lockdown in Hyderabad because the situations are really bad outside. After some time, Sameera came and sat beside me and she asked Tabassum, what? Kaisa? How? About what? Mehendi. I'm like, yes, I totally forgot. And then, see what I wrote here. Casey should have thought about my Eid Mehendi. What about my Mehendi now?
Congratulations, Tabassum, on lockdown 2.0.
Congratulations. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe. 3.0.
Guys, there's video shopping happening on video call. We're buying diapers on video call, talking upon things.
XL size. L में. हाँ XL.
गर्ल्स बॉयज अलग होता है क्या?
नहीं रहता.
हमारे 36 पीसेस से दो लेना.
हाँ, इट्स ओके. इन्होंने एक ही बस है. जस्ट उसको नहीं बता के छुपा के रखना. Essentials shopping.
Stocking up on essentials.
Yes. Okay. Bye, Anwar Anna.
Me. Bye.
Lockdown 2.0. ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ లాక్ పాయింట్ 2.0లో ఇది జరుగుతుంది. జస్ట్ ఇమాజిన్ 10 days ఇంకేమేమి జరుగుతాయో.
కొంచెం మెసేజ్ బంద్ చేయమని చేయి బాగాలేదని చెప్పానండి, అంతే. కెమెరా తీసుకొని వచ్చేసింది మా సమీర.
వేరెవర్ యు గో ఐ ఫాలో అంటున్న కోడలు టు అత్తగారు.
వైట్
ఈమె హెయిర్స్ కొన్ని అమెరికన్ నూడిల్స్ లాగా ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటి?
देखो. Aman army is here. Aman, what is your reaction on the lockdown 2.0? Are you happy or are you sad? What are you missing? You were not anyway going out to play. You were anyway not going. We were anyway not going. We were already in self lockdown kind of a situation. So what are you going to miss?
బయటికి వెళ్ళొస్తాను.
English channel.
Yeah, he will go, he will keep going out, he will meet his friends. There's no self lockdown for him. Not
Yeah, actually, as Tabassum said, he keeps meeting all his society friends. He'll go meet them and he'll request Reshma aunty that he wants to go outside. But in spite of all that, he's been
Only
following.
for 2 or 5 minutes.
In this 2.0 lockdown, he's going to become 2.0 in size.
Aman, what is your reaction on that, please? What she commented on your size, that you are going to become 2.0, size 2.0. Is that going to happen, or are you going to utilize this 10 days and do something nice?
Please don't take me wrong, guys. Don't tell me that I'm discouraging about his weight or body or not at all. I'm asking him to keep himself active, healthy and keep exercising. That's it. And in lockdown 1.0, Aman became 2.0, and in lockdown 2.0, Aman is going to become 2.0 only. Yes, Aman, no 3.0. Done?
Guys, so my mother-in-law is sitting right here. Let's quickly ask her about her reaction. Tada tada, Shanur Sanaji.
Yes, hello, hi.
Hi. So they just announced lockdown. What is your reaction on that?
My reaction, I'm very, very happy for it because this was much needed break for the chain. And there were people who were suffering, and like you could see people on the roads not listening to anybody because it is like open. You have to go to office, you have to go to work. Because it was not in lockdown, everybody were on roads for work or whatever it is. They were. But now when they announce the lockdown, nobody will go out. They will be safe and happy. So I hope this chain of corona will break and everybody will at least reduce. Everybody will be happy, and the cases will come down.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So basically, as soon as the lockdown was announced, we sent Anwar Jan out to get our essentials. But we saw that you did not ask for anything. Why is that so?
Because everything is you guys to me. That's way.
So I was giving one list, Tabassum was giving one list, but you did not ask for anything. You were like, you go safe and come back safe.
Maka dil, mother's heart is like that. You're sending him out. My son is going out. No, actually I didn't want anything, and I know you guys are around me always. So whenever I need anything, I borrow from you also. Specifically, I didn't want anything.
Alright guys, so after all of us heard the news and we reacted onto it, now it was time to start preparing for the day and for the next 10 days. Obviously, it's the season of mango and I love mangoes. Now you can see me eating mango here like an insane woman on earth. I love mangoes, and guys, let's break the myth. You can have one mango every 2 days or one mango every 3 days. I end up eating one mango every single day. Anyway, that's not an issue. And then I got back to my room and I started editing this video, which went up that day on my channel, which was about my shopping in pandemic, the last time that I visited mall in my pregnancy, and I'm sure this would be the last time probably if the things are going to be same till my baby comes onto this world. Anyway, moving on, it was time for some mehendi, obviously because Eid was coming up and we couldn't give up on mehendi. So I call my mehendi from her henna story. Now you guys know I love her henna story because it is organic and it doesn't peel and gives amazing stain. The henna stain is great, and I would definitely recommend you guys to try on your hands on her henna story. And guess who was home? So Sadia was here. We were taking all the precautions, started getting our mehendi done. Meanwhile, a mom was feeding Prince.
లాక్డౌన్ అనగానే స్టాప్ బ్లాక్ లో సాధ్య అపియర్ అయిపోయింది అన్నమాట. టింగ్ అని కూర్చుంటే తమసు మళ్ళీ కూర్చుంది, మెహందీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది మాస్క్ వేసుకొని మరి.
And of course, it was time for iftar because Tabassum was busy getting her mehendi done and Aman was helping them with their iftar. Here, Anwar Jan, Prince, myself and mom were at the dining having our iftar. So here's the delicious food that we had that day for our iftar. Now after the iftar, she continued doing tabassum's henna, which took like forever. And finally at 9:14, Tabassum got done with her henna and she was resting for some time. And post dinner at 9:29, I started getting my mehendi art done. Now most of you comment on my bangles, and these are given to me by my sister. So I believe these are blessings from her mother-in-law, so that's why I keep wearing them all the time, and I too love those bangles. And finally I started getting my henna art done. And yeah, as you can see, we were all with all the precautions, and I don't want to take any kind of chances meeting anyone or getting infected by anything. So yeah, obviously because I had mehendi all over my hands, I couldn't film the outro. But yeah, that's the final look. And as you can see, there is Anwar written on my right hand, and I really love the way it has turned out. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.